magandang araw po sa lahat. Bago nga po pala lahat-lahat, gusto ko lang pong batiin na isang maligayang kaarawan ng aking pinakamamahal na kaibigan na si Princess Rina Jean Magbanwa, aka Chin. Chin, maraming salamat sa lahat ng oras, pagkakataon at banding na ibinigay mo sa amin sa larangan ng pagla-live dito sa Bigo. Wish you all the best at ang hiling lang namin sana ng mga kaibigan mo dito ay pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo at sana balang araw maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Yun ang lagi namin sinasabi sa iyo. So wish you all the best, Chin, and we miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Stay awesome, stay honest, and stay special kasi yun talaga yung mga memories ko sa iyo is mga kabaliwan natin, mga happy times natin. So yun na nga, stay awesome, stay genuine, and stay real because that's how I remember you and that's how I will always remember you. Always stay positive kasi sa grupo natin ikaw yung pinaka-positive, ikaw din yung pinaka-savage boy. And ayun, happy birthday. Sorry, ito lang muna yung magawa kong greeting kasi nagbibiyahe ako eh. But yun, sobrang aga din para sa akin kaya medyo mababa din yung boses ko. But anyway, happy birthday. I hope you have a happy birthday and God bless you. And yeah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday. Happy birthday to my girl. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best wishes on your life. Enjoy your day because you deserve it. You know what I mean? And sana makilala pa kita and then magkita tayo soon if ever, di ba? For friendship. Thank you so much. Love you.
Hi, Disney Princess. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and kind. May you achieve what you want in your life. Again, happy birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Princess. Wish you the best and more blessings to come. And enjoy your day.
Hi sis, happy birthday. Amping always. See you soonest and stay guapa. Stay chubby.
Hi, Dai. Happy birthday. I wish you have a good celebration. Be happy and stay safe and healthy always. Happy birthday again, Sarangay.
Hi Princess, happy birthday sa'yo and I wish for you is good health and mag-ingat ka palagi. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday.
Hi Princess, happy birthday. God bless you sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Tuparin mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay at mag-aaral ka na mabuti. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Stay cutie.
Hi Princess, happy birthday and ayun o, lagi pinagkalagalo semua and ayun, yun lang. Enjoy your day.
So, hi sa'yo, Princess. Happy birthday sa'yo. And lagi ka mag-iingat and hindi na tayo nakikita sa Bigo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Princess. Happy birthday nga pala sa'yo from your Dad Escobar from Litmas Community. Babus, happy birthday.
Princess, happy birthday. Kana kung maingon na dyan sa mga kay padayon sa mga pag-skwela o buhata, tanan ni mga gusto, maura na. Once again, happy birthday, Princess.
Pangako di ako na hihibang, ikaw ang aking nag-iisang